Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. If you're thinking about canceling your Peloton app membership in 2025, you've come to the right place. Whether it's due to budget changes, switching routines, or just taking a break, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This guide is straightforward and easy to follow, so you can handle it in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Peloton account on the app or website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now. It's the key starting point. Once you're in, head over to the Account or Profile section, usually found in the bottom navigation bar or under a menu icon. Look for something labeled Membership or Subscription Details. This is where the magic happens. Tap on that, and you should see your current plan details. Now, scroll down until you find the option to manage your subscription. There might be a button that says Cancel Membership or something similar. Click on it, and Peloton will likely prompt you with a few questions about why you're leaving. Be honest, it helps them improve. After that, you'll get a confirmation screen. Double-check everything because this is your final step before the cancellation goes through. Hit Confirm, and you're done. Your membership should be canceled effective immediately or at the end of your billing cycle, depending on their policy. One quick tip. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message from Peloton, just to make sure everything processed correctly. If you change your mind, there might be a grace period to reactivate, so don't panic. Remember, canceling doesn't delete your account, so you can always jump back in later if you miss those virtual classes. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech and fitness tips. Stay active, everyone.